Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive remanufacturing center specializing in industrial gearbox repair. We work on brands such as Falk, Philadelphia, Flender, Hanson, Linkbelt, Marley, Bonfiglione, and so forth. Here at National Gear Repair, if you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer get parts for, we could reverse engineer and manufacture all necessary gearing and shafts to the exact same Bernil hardness and Rockwell hardness. We manufacture gears such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we do offer 24-hour emergency rush repair and manufacturing. We also offer free freight nationwide, as well as free quotes. At National Gear Repair, all our work here is warranted for 24 months from the date of installation. Please continue to watch these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.